As the glazing designs continue to evolve and the architects are really pushing the limits of their design capabilities, it's becoming increasingly more important for Tremco to be able to respond quickly to our customers' changing needs. The best part about the Tremco's 3D printing capabilities is that at the end of the day, it's all about taking time out of the process.
So we can virtually reproduce in the 3D printer all the materials that would go in the glazing pocket, whether it be a sponge for compression glazing, a setting block to protect the glass from the aluminum, or a dense wedge to drive the compression of the glass.
It allows us to make rapid prototypes. So we're working with customers that are creating brand new window systems.
Most of the profiles that we design are custom profiles, and it all starts from just an idea or a basic sketch.
And ultimately it will offer designers and contractors a peace of mind that there was a custom designed profile for that application.
I would request a 3D part prior to starting any project we do with an extrusion. You can show that piece to the consultant, to the owner. You can actually take it up and they can actually see before you apply product what it's going to look like on their building.
They know it's going to fit. The product will give them the correct aesthetic and they'll know it's the correct solution for that application prior to us going into production.